Hey everyone, Silver here, and it's time for another Atlas Earth strategy video. 2 for 2 this week as I'm swamped with work and I have had to move the upcoming Is It Worth It video to next week. Did not do very many Atlas Earth strategy videos, so might as well do another one and get caught up here, huh? So this one is going to be more a math strategy, as an ongoing goal of many a player in Atlas Earth is to reach $50 a month in the game. Why $50 a month? Well, it probably sounds reachable while being a huge driver of rewards app earnings for most people in a way most other apps cannot these days, especially with everything nerfed to absolute hell and back the last year and a half, and probably will stay that way. And $50 is just significant enough that you could upgrade your life in some meaningful way with it, like pay a cell phone bill, or get a perpetual free monthly membership to the Atlas Explorer Club, where you can earn an additional 40 or so parcels a month. And I've done several videos like this already, and so you're probably wondering why do another one. Well, because it's been over a year. 2 years, in fact, since that $1 a day video. And also the math with Atlas Earth isn't that easy. It's not as easy as buy parcel, get X dollars a year. At least not until you reach what I call the late game, where you have hit the 2x tier and it becomes very easy to know just how much you can make. And even then, if you live in the United States, you can still get to $50 a month even as a mid-game player. I'll explain. But before I do, also, YouTube has a new feature called Hype, so if you can please click or tap the Hype button so others can see this video, especially for those that are casually into Atlas Earth, that would be awesome too. So, if you want to optimize your earnings on Atlas Earth the best way possible, my most updated optimal strategy guide video from 2024 is probably going to be your best bet. Not much has changed outside of a 150,000 parcel limit on super rent boosts that, if you watch this channel and follow my advice, you are never going to reach. I mean, if you reach even 15,000 parcels free to play, or just even with the subscriptions, that's a humongous victory. Or your name is Cynic's Pipe Dream on Atlas Earth anyway, or Glaston. I mean, minigames can help you earn a lot of Atlas bucks, and they are great examples of it. I mean, Glaston's going to catch up to me within the end of the year, I think. But most of you will be earning it from ads or the offer wall style stuff like Atlas Arcade, Atlas Surveys, Atlas Travel, or reinvesting your dollars back into the game. If you follow the optimal strategy guide, you should know that I'm a big proponent of maxing out on badges once you've reached a reasonable top tier on parcel power. Now, parcel power is your number of parcels times your boost tier. In the US, that's usually the 30x tier, but it is wildly different depending on what country you are in, and in some cases, you're literally better off just waiting to the late game to buy anything beyond 11 badges. So while I recommend you do get to the maximum amount of badges for the maximum amount of benefit of 101, I'm going to give you the numbers for each tier from 1 badge to 101 badges in this video so that you don't have to ask in the comment section. And if you don't have a badge and you have more than 40 parcels, I mean, guys, just get 200 Atlas bucks and buy your state's badge or city. If you are past 40 parcels, it is way more valuable to get that free 5% bonus for 200 Atlas bucks than to buy another 2 parcels with it. And it only gets bigger over time. Plus, it'll help you towards that month's challenges so you can get a good amount back. I'm also not going to count those short bonus SRBs we get every once in a while, since we don't know how often we get them, so don't expect them. But anyway, here's the numbers for my friends outside the United States first. Outside the United States, the only way to hit $50 a month is to reach the 2x tier. There's no other way around it. Blame the advertising companies in your countries, everyone, not Atlas Earth for this one. Given a median parcel distribution, each parcel is going to be worth an expected value of about 31 cents a year without any badges, and 38.83 cents a year with the maximum benefit of badges. So the number of parcels you will need to reach $50 a month, or $600 a year, is simply 1,545 parcels with 101 badges, 1,609 parcels with 61 badges, 1,679 parcels with 31 badges, 1,756 parcels with 11 badges, and 1,839 parcels with 1 badge. And just so you know how insane it is, I did do one for 0 badges in this one, and I came out to 1,931 parcels. Yeah, that's a 92 parcel difference. So 92 parcels are 1 badge. What sounds more valuable to you at this level, and what sounds like it would take less effort? Yeah, exactly. Now, in the United States, you probably are noticing something. From 31 badges on up, the number of parcels are actually lower than the break-even point that we calculated a long time ago. Back to break away from the late game, that point where if you go from 3x to 2x, you're not losing any money jumping tiers. Meaning that for US players only, you can reach $50 a month with median parcel distribution in the mid-game in the 3x tier. That area between 1,100 to 1,500 parcels. In fact, 1,500 parcels with 31 badges will earn you about $51.22 a month. Oh yes, and I am assuming 24/7 boosting in this case. So each parcel at the 3x tier is worth an expected value of about 35.6 cents a year without any badges, and up to 44.5 cents a year with badges. So for 0, 1, and 11 badges, the requirement is still the exact same as outside of the United States, but for 31, 61, and 101 badges, it's actually much less for United States players. For 31 badges, it is 1,464 parcels, 61 badges, 1,403 parcels, and 101 badges, 1,347 parcels. This is definitely not an overnight thing, and will likely take you months to get to this point, even with enough dedication. But $50 a month is possible with this game with watching ads, offer walls, the AMP program, minigames, and other offers that the game has to help you earn more Atlas bucks. Considering that most people are struggling to get this much from other rewards apps, just getting to a point that you can hit $50 a month by pressing a boost button once an hour is probably worth the effort it takes to get there. Better than what I gotta do for swag bucks these days anyway, you know what I mean? So anyways, that's the video, everyone, and if you were wondering why I did 24/7 rather than 22 hours, I am very well aware that a lot of you want $50 a month for the Atlas Explorer Club. So the Atlas Explorer Club makes it possible for you to get a proper night's sleep and do 24/7. But if you want the numbers for 22 hours, well, you can pause this video right now and take a look here, and you can see how many parcels it takes to get to 22 with 22 hours of boosting. Now 22 hours because I'm assuming that you're going to have 8 hours of sleep, and you will get that 2 hours if you pay for the Atlas Explorer Club, which again, I recommend not to, but I know a lot of you want the Atlas Explorer Club and you want to get to $50 a month and break even with the Atlas Explorer Club. Well, there's the numbers right there. Also, I should mention that you don't necessarily have to spend monthly on the Atlas Explorer Club. You can get a discount per month pro rata by getting the annual Explorer Club membership, and that I think will lower it by about $4 a month, and the requirements would get much lower because of that. So hopefully that helps you out with that, everyone. Let me know if you've made it here or how far you've gotten. Go to aecalc.com, put your information in, and you will get out how much you've made so far. Put that in the comment section below. And big thanks to my Beer Money insiders as well. The T99 Sogwolf, Disturbed Doge, Ashley Stanfield, Kristen O'Neill, Josh42, and Board Game Sports Network. Sorry for the lack of the Is It Worth It video this week. It will be back next week, but check out the Prograd video in the top left if you want to see my last one of this series, and I will see you all in the next one. Pharaoh Silver, signing off.